Hello everyone. This is Ekta Nigam. I am welcoming you all in our exciting journey of Agent Force use cases. Today, I am going to show you one use case of an Agent Force that is renewable energy company helping customer to fulfill their requirement. I will show you the use case, the functionality of my chatbot helping initial consultation and need assessment. It help user access their needs by collecting information like location, energy uses, and preferred renewable energy solution. It will also educate user about renewable energy options. It educate user on difference between the solar panels and the wind turbines. Explain which option are suitable for specific location or energy needs. It will also help in energy saving calculation. It assists user in estimating potential saving for adoption renewable energy solution. It will also tell you about the government incentives and subsidies information. It provide detail about the government schemes, subsidies, tax incentives, and rebates available for renewable installation. It will help in customizing energy solution. The chatbot help user design a tailored renewable energy solution. It will also help you with the connecting with expert for consultation. It schedule a consultation with renewable energy expert to provide personalized recommendation either virtually or in person. It will also help in monitoring and maintaining tips. The chatbot gives user guidance on how to monitor the performance of their renewable energy solution and offer maintenance tips. It will help in assistance and with installation process. It guide user through the installation process including timeline, permits and necessary paperwork, and can schedule installation appointments. Yeah, so let me show you the working of my agent and how my agent is actually looking. So this is my agent. As you can see, I give the name of my agent is renewable energy agent, the label of my agent renewable energy option detail. This is the API name of my agent. I give the instruction descriptions, scope, and some sets of instructions to my agent. So to create my agent working successfully, I use some of the Salesforce custom object. Let me show you the custom object I have used. So I use the five custom object. That the first one is renewable energy customer. It says in some fields like email, monthly electricity bill, name, preferred energy options. So it will take a details like that. And the second object is that I use that installation object. It is having in fields like installation date, installation name, and installation status. Third is my energy solution object. It's saving the details of an energy solution name, energy solution percentage, and it's having an object also used maintenance objects. It has a maintenance date, maintenance name, and fifth object is my that is consultation object. It says in consultation detail like consultation date, consultation ID, and consultation type. Let me show you the flow, how my flow is actually looking. I created in one of the auto launch flow. In this flow, I use the decision element, which is checking the mail and the phone of the customer. If the customer records is not existing in the org, it will create a customer record. To create a customer record, I used in customer create record element. It will help in creating a record. I also use the fault path method. And again, I use one of the decision element for checking the consultation. If consultation is record is not created, then it will help you to create the consultation record. I used a create record method. If the installation process record is not created, then flow is also helping in to create a installation record with the help of in create record method, create a installation request, as you can see. And let me show you, I also used a prompt builder file upload method. So let me show you how my prompt builder is actually looking, what are the instruction I give to my prompt builder. Let me go to the topic configuration, then this topic agent. So this is my prompt builder. Let me click on this and let me show you. Yeah, so this is the instructions I given to my prompt builder to make the agent successfully working. Let me go back and my open agent again. So to make show you the working of my agent, I prepared some sets of an question. Let me copy my first question. I want to switch to renewable energy for my home. Where should I start? So let me go back and paste this question to my chat window. Let wait for agent is generating us some response. So yes, agent is asking some of the answers question. We need to give the answers of all question. Let me, I already prepared this. Let me paste here in the chat window, hit enter, let wait for few seconds. Now my agent will gonna create a record. Yeah, you can see that message. Thank you for providing this detail. Agent 24, your consultation for solar panel has been scheduled for January 10, 2025. So here we go back to the window. Let me refresh my, yeah, you can see that record is created at agent demo with the email, phone, location and preferred solution, monthly saving it is giving. So let me go back to my agent. Let me copy my second question. What is the difference between solar panel and wind turbine? So for this first question, it is creating a renewable energy record with the help of an flow. As I already show you, this is the configuration of my flow where it's creating a record from here. Creating a customer record, it is creating a record of the renewable energy customer. With this flow, it is creating a record. Let me go back to my agent, copy the second question in the chat window and hit enters. Let wait for the agent is generating a response. Yeah, so this is like, would you write this option? Yes. Let me give yes. Sure. Would you like to proceed to doing yes? Again. Yeah, you can see that already we have created. So it's saying that we have already created our consultation record for this. So let me go back and let me copy the first question. Next question: are there any government subsidies for solar panel installation? Let me paste answer in the chat window. Let wait for few seconds. Yeah, it's saying that the whatever the schemes are government provided by this all the answer is coming with the help of an prompt builder. I, with the help of an file upload method, I uploaded all the question answers, so it is fetching the detail from over there prompt builder method. So let me go back and copy my next question. It will also tell you how much solar, how much can I save if I install solar panel. Let me hit enter. Yeah, it will the detail. This answer is coming with the help of an formula field we used in that. It is it will, as already above we give the electricity bill, it will calculate on the basis of that. That's yes. You can see this much we can save if we are using. Now let me go and ask the next question. I have a 3 bedroom. How many solar panels do I need? Let me copy this question and paste in the chat window and hit enter. Let wait for a few seconds. Agent will generating a response for us. Yes, we can see that the agent has generated a response based on our uses around 500 kilowatt per month. I recommended 10 to 12 solar panel installation. Now go back to next question. How do I monitor the performance of my solar panel? Copy this question and paste in the chat window and hit enter. Let wait for a few seconds. This all answers are coming from the prompt builder. This answer is again come from the prompt builder. I already gave the instruction to my agent. If someone is asking this type of a question, you can fetch the detail from the prompt builder. Let me answer no. So yeah. All right. If there are any other queries, need further assistance, feel free to ask. So this is all about the working of my agent. I hope you understand my working of my agent. I hope you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching and giving me your precious time. Bye. Have a nice day.